time we're going to pick and pull here in Spokane Valley. Get some parts for Thor. Let's see how it goes. Okay, just got here. This apparently is the imported stuff. So if I need anything for the Eclipse, might be there. And that's the national. It's funny to me to say national and is American. I'm from Brazil, so national is Brazilian, right? So let's see how it works. Okay, so they have two, and they give me this little paper here, which is great. That apparently is Spalding, is another one, that one. And so I think that's Pull and Save is nicer because it's gonna let me do my own thing. All right, A33 and B6. So that's A. I need to go 33 rows. B6 is right here. 3. This is 4. That looks like it. B6. Yep. It's right here. So we have Dodge Dakota. Fuck, that might be Dodge Ram. Oh, there you go. This is a Dodge Ram here. Ooh, my parts might be right here. Oh yeah, that's my sensor right there. I'm gonna take that. Oh shit, they took the door stuff. I need this little part here. This here. So, I'm in luck. Not quite. Let's see how it goes. Okay, first part down is the sensor. I have a list. I need the battery mount. This doesn't have it. I don't know where that thing went. Temp sensor. Radiator is not here. Door trimming. It's not here either. Yeah, they took the trim from the inside also. Shift solenoid and nerve bar. So this one doesn't have any of this. Let's go to the next one. And keep walking. A33.
This is A16. I don't know if it's after that gate. We can see because of the sunlight. Sunlight is right on our direction. Stuff. Bunch of Chevys and Fords.
So just walking to A32, I saw this car here. Oh, has nothing there. Some crappy pistons. I don't know what this is. It's a Ford. And I think I won't know. Prelude or something? I have no idea. It's Ford Probe. Ooh. Alright. Peace Probe. And this apparently is A32. What is this thing here? Oh, S10. Gonna look for exhaust or Jarrett. Silverados. Dude, I hate when this happens. There is no truck. It's A33 to be honest. Where is A33? What the hell is that? Oh, that's looks like a Bronco. What? I don't understand crap about trucks. That's it. No, it's definitely not that. A30. Oh, that's a B. B32. So it's, I wasn't wrong. I don't know why those cars are randomly there. 28. Where the hell is 8:33? Alright, so I just found the sensor. Not even sure if it's working. I couldn't find the other car, so I'm leaving and going to the other backyard. Let's see how it goes. So, there you go. Almost run over the girl. Car in front, car behind. You asshole, should wait for me. And go to domestics, that's what I heard. Let's see what these people are doing. Come on, sir. Yeah. Ah, I think he's here. Not quite sure, but it looks like it. Pickups and vans. Ooh, it looks pretty good. I mean, you see the parts out there. I think this is a self. You don't do yourself. So let's see. Just got an engine hoist. Look at that. This is going to keep our. So that's a mix between stuff I did for the truck and stuff for the Eclipse. Going back home now. Engine hoist back there. I put the trim already, so it worked. And that other part goes in here. Radiator seems to be holding up pretty good. I didn't want to spend. They wanted $50 for a used one, but how can they tell it's good? And a new one is $150. Why would they save $100? Have all the work, you know. So I'm eating chicharrones, I think is Mexican. So good. Anyway, yeah, decided to go home, some stuff with my son, and work on the truck for a little bit. Was just waiting for the train to go, and it's gone now. Doors are opening and we are leaving. Okay, quick update. I'm gonna get my camera stand. I got the part fixed in here, so it doesn't have that stuff hanging anymore. Also, this here. Got that part. The sensor I put under the battery. I didn't make a video because it was just like take the battery, put the battery back, but I end up cleaning a little bit, cleaning up so you can see it is clean. And this too, but I need to take it off. I might need to get a new radiator anyway. And I was about to do a little polishing. You see how it looks, so I'm gonna rub some compound. Let's see. I have Super Duty rubbing compound from the 3M, and I'm gonna rub like this. Just wanna see. Wow. Oh wow. So let's do this half here, and I'm gonna just spread like this, and I'm going to, wow, it is ugly. Let's see. Alright. Guess that does nothing. You gotta use my hands. This is actually working like this. Can you see this here? See all this black? So look. Look, all this black paint there. And this is not dirt. This is stuck in the paint. So the rubbing compound is actually doing something. Yeah, look. Yes, look, I take some, and then put some of this here. If you get this, you see it's kind of grainy, so you might want to be careful when using this. But look, without any effort, not putting too much pressure, it just comes off. Oh yeah, this would be nice. Yeah, look. I hope you can see. Look here. Grab my fabric. Alright. Look. Not putting too much pressure. Yeah. Even using this will be a little work, because I gotta do by hand. That thing for some reason doesn't spin fast enough. Let's see. It basically does nothing. Let's see if the rubbing compound actually, see there's a scratch in here. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Oh yeah, it's actually making some. All right. And this is the end result. You get your son. Yeah, good job. Good job. You get your son to polish his own car. And look at that. Look at the difference. You can see the hood and this here. Look, it was all like this, grainy. And this is smooth. Still need to use some, take this crap out of here. Yeah. Oh yeah, you got it? All right. All right, does it look good?
Yeah.
All right. This is dirty. You want to get a new one? All right, peace.